Hey everyone, I'm super excited because I'm going to attend another PKS. I'm getting ready to attend our exclusive PKS or product knowledge seminar for one of the most outstanding developers in the Philippines, the Green Tech Development Corporation. So ayan, nagsuot tayo ng green dahil ang pangalan ng developer is Green Tech, of course. So tara, samahan nyo ko, punta na tayo sa office. Ito nga pala yung location ng aming office sa Bachelor's Realty and Brokerage Incorporated. Nasa Claveria siya sa Regina Complex. So, papasok niyan dyan sa may LBC at may Western Union. Dyan nararampa ka sa gitna. Yan yung Regina Complex. So, doon sa pinakadulo, yun ang office namin. The Bachelor's Realty and Brokerage Incorporated. So, sa likod niyan is ang IMS. So, yan lang po ang office namin. Madali lang siyang hanapin. Very accessible. So, pagpasok mo pa lang sa office, bubungad na agad ang mga very guwapa, abdik, very motivated, and buutan ng mga real estate agents na kasama ko. And of course, our branch coordinators. They are always present. Si Sir Leo. Ayan, yung nagdi-distribute ng papel. Yan po si Sir Leo, wearing pink. And si Sir Plong yung nakatayo doon sa front desk. Yan. So, yan po ang ating mga branch coordinator here in Davao branch. Sobra na sila kabuutan. Always ready to assist with everything. Alright, so maminaw sa ta. Enough na muna ang Marites moment kaya magsugod ng PKS. Maminaw sa ta.
Solar package and smart home package. Solar package uses solar panels, a hybrid inverter, and a battery bank. The solar panels convert capability, allowing you to continue running on solar power even if the grid goes out. Here are the benefits of solar power package. Reduce electricity bills. Generates clean and renewable energy, reducing dependence on grid-supplied electricity. You can save up to 47% on electric bills, light and electricity, while the batteries store energy for later use. Hybrid solar systems have both on-grid and off-grid accredited use.
Ayan. So, what I love about their projects is, hindi lang kasi siya bahay kasi it's also a business opportunity or investment opportunity for everyone. You can live upstairs, you can run your business downstairs, so all in one place. It's a shop